It's Dr. Mike here with Life Extension. We just wanted to reach out to everybody and just to let everyone know that we are here for you. It's a crazy time for everybody. A lot of products at Life Extension are currently on back order, but we just wanted to ensure you that we are working very hard behind the scenes to replenish all of those orders and keep our products rolling out, because we know that many of you rely on Life Extension to keep you well and keep you healthy at all times. One of the things, though, I wanted to let you know, and I think this is really important, just because things are on back order, Life Extension is always going to source from the highest quality raw materials out there. That's never going to change. Just because we have a back order of something, we're not going to go to some lower quality supplier just simply to fulfill those products. We just can't do that. So we want you to know that at this point, everything that we normally do, the high quality products that you expect from us, all of that is continuing business as usual. Just to talk a little bit about your Life Extension orders real quick, our telephone customer service team, they're busy. And so there are some longer than usual wait times, which means if you want to place an order, it is probably quicker and easier to do it at lifeextension.com. You'll get an email reviewing that order. You can also track your order from there. But of course, if you need to call, we're here for you 7 days a week at the number that's right there on your screen. Keep in mind, because of just the time period it is right now, that we're asking that you expect some delay in delivery and allow one extra business day for your products to arrive. It's good news. Life Extension is deemed an essential business by state and local governments. And so we're open. We're formulating products. We're taking orders. We are still disseminating information that will help you and your family stay healthy at all times. None of that is changing. But of course, during this time, we are following CDC guidelines. As an example, people that are at work are practicing social distancing and washing their hands, etc. So we are taking that very seriously. Listen, it's a lot of unknowns out there right now, right? It can be a little scary. We're here for you as well. If you really have some questions that you just need answered, please call our wellness specialists. They are amazing people. They're doctors, they're registered dietitians, nutritionists, who can help answer your questions that you have during, again, kind of this really unprecedented time that we're living through. So again, we just wanted to reach out, let you know, Life Extension, we are an essential business. We are open, and we are here for you if you need us. I'm Dr. Mike. Thanks for watching.